I'm a chairlady for educational programs in the foundation. Mhleli Foundation is the foundation that is centered around Mandene area with the aim of empowering the youth in sports and education. So today we are here at Import Kabulungu Secondary School in Mandene. We have invited 6 high schools from the surrounding areas.
We're here to empower them and give them information on the careers and the choices that they can make. We've got universities here that are here today. We've got the seaters that are here today. We also have professional artists and professional industry people that are here.
It's an initiative to bring all the kids together, just to give them, a day to experience ukuthi kubanjani after matric.
There's a buzzword they call fourth industrial revolution. You will not have the future of work without having the high-speed internet. And then in that environment, this part opens an opportunity for each and every one of you. You are the future. And if you are the future, you are responsible to take care of your future.
I'm excited to be part of this initiative hosted by Mhleli Foundation. I expect to have a clear understanding of the career field I would like to embark on.
Our background is not a determination that we can't study certain qualification. Under our Department of Transformation and Growth, our biggest task is that we want the profession of CAs to actually match the demographics of South Africa.
We are here to encourage learners to not to gamble. We're also here to share our careers within the gaming and betting industry.
Mhleli Foundation, together with Services CETA and other stakeholders, have put together such a wonderful program and giving these young minds the future of South Africa.
It's a great cause, and I wish in my days there was someone who could have helped me, assist me on how to maneuver in my career and just guide me onto what I can do and what courses can I take and how can I make whatever I want to pursue into an actual career that will actually generate money for me.
Besiza ngama-career choices ethu besazisa ukuthi kumele senzeni life after matric, besitshela ngisho nangama-university singa-aplya kuwona, besitshela nangama-degree ukuthi uma ufuna ukufunda i-course ethile kumele ube uriche i-percent liphi khona uzongena.
Lento lo uthanda ukuba yiyona ku-possible ukuthi ube yiyona and uzoba yiyona.
Mhleli Foundation Sports for Education. So we're doing sports, we're doing education as well, because at the end of the day we want to uplift the lives of our kids. Ingane zijabulile and kuningi ezikufundile namhlanje. Nathi as singabazali kuningi esikufundile going forward ukuthi ingane zethu isiza kanjani.